Steve! Arouse! They're douchey!
Yes, now we can play with them.
Don't worry, Jeep Jeep. You go get more seed. I'll cuddle the others in the holla in no time. I'm an expert baby chick cuddler, you know. Mashiv, slona chuirde. I thought you never cuddled a baby chick before. I haven't, but I just know I'm going to be a natural chick cuddler. Shh, say a holla.
Huh? How much birdseed do small chicks eat?
Aww.
Diagwitch, I'm Amir. Huh?
Come back here. This one is definitely douchey.
Hey, that tickles.
These chicks don't look tired to me.
Don't worry. I can speak baby chick. I can help them pull a holla. Chip, 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 chip! Oh, no. Now she's douchey.
I don't think it worked, Kawan.
Oh, no. She's douchey Arish. This is impossible. When one chick is in a gullah, another one is douchey.